Hello everyone! Today, in this tutorial, we will learn our new command of NX Siemens, that is Revolve. It is one of the easiest and basic command. You can find this command on the right side of the extrude command, as it defines as create a feature by revolving a section about an axis, which means the selected curve will act as a loci and add the material by revolving about an axis. Now select Revolve Command. Now under section, it suggests us to select the cure. If there is any pre-created curve, then select that curve, otherwise click on Sketch to create a curve in particular plane. Now create a curve. It's all upon you whether you create a closed curve or an open curve. To demonstrate this command, I will create two closed curve. One, I will create two circle having same center of axis but different radii. Another, I will create two rectangle, one inside the other. Once you complete your sketch, click on Finish. This is all about section or sketch or selection of curve. Further, we will move forward toward axis section. Now, selecting the vector is the most important thing about how to select the vector. Keep in mind that the vector you are selecting must be perpendicular to the vector of selected curve in that particular plane in which sketch is created. We have discussed all the options of selecting the vector in our last tutorial video. Please refer last tutorial video to understand all the way of selecting vector. Now in this particular case, our sketch is created in XZ plane and the vector of sketch is in the direction of Z axis. So the options to select the vector are either in positive x-axis or in negative x-axis. Further, we have to select the specific point about which the curve revolves. First, we have inferred point. It is a point which you can select any point which is available in the graphics window. Inferred point, cursor point and point work similarly. To get clear view and isometric view of model, click Home button. Now you can see that the selected curve is revolved around the selected point and vector. If you want to extract the sketch, right-click on Latest Command and select Make Sketch External. Let's move forward toward our next selection way of point, that is arc, ellipse, and sphere center. It will automatically select the center of arc, ellipse, and sphere. It makes easy to select point. As you can see that on selecting the center point of circle, the sketch revolves around that point. What if we select datum axis? If we select datum axis, then the central axis will be considered as datum axis. You can understand with this illustrated example. Let's understand more this command with another shapes. If we select closed curves, then on their section view, we will observe that the revolve model will be completely solid. What if we select both curves inscribed in it? It will create a hollow or subtract the material from inside it. Understand with this illustrated example. The shortcut key for view section is Ctrl+H. Limits and Boolean, also their functioning we have already discussed in our previous tutorial video. Please refer to our tutorial 2 to learn about them. Let's move forward toward offset. Under offset section, we have only one choice to apply offset, and that is two-sided offset. When you select two-sided offset, then you can apply offset from inner side as well as from outer side. Let's understand through this example. Let's this its sectional view, press Ctrl+H. Now you can see that this command helps in providing thickness. Let's move toward our special setting of this command. By default, it selects solid, which means the body you creates that will be solid, but you can change the setting to sheet. If you want to work on any surface or sheet, then you can choose sheet from the setting. Let's see its sectional view. As you can see that the whole body is converted into sheet. If I change the selection filter to sheet, then you can understand that the body is in the form sheet. Now if I select or change the setting from sheet to solid, then the body will be converted into solid body. Let's see its sectional view. As you can see that the body is completely filled with material and converted into solid. Now change the selection filter to solid. Now the system will show that these two bodies are solid. So this is all about Revolve Command in detail manner. I hope you like this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe my video and channel for more tutorial and part modeling content. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.